In this video, we're going to show you how to re-grease the cafe racer and opera steam valves. The first thing we want to do is turn the machine off and open both steam valves to ensure there is no more steam pressure left in the boiler. Now we are satisfied the latent steam pressure in the boiler has been released. Close both valves. We're going to use a large adjustable spanner to loosen the nut on the valve, as well as a 24mm spanner to hold the arm to prevent the valve rotating too much in the valve body. Now the thread is loose, we can unscrew the remainder of the way. Be careful when you do this, as the valve is most likely very hot. We can now see the valve pin, which we would remove and grease liberally with a food-safe, high-temperature silicone-type grease. Once the valve pin has been greased, we would reinsert, being careful not to lose the spring on reinsertion. We would then also re-grease the articulating joint and O-ring inside, and then remount on the valve body.